What's up guys, Shane Starnes here, and the OnePlus 15 has officially landed, and after using it as my daily driver, I think we're looking at a serious contender for phone of the year. There's a lot to like here, but no phone's perfect, so today I'm breaking down the 4 things that I absolutely loved about the OnePlus 15 and the 1 thing that I didn't. We're about to take a deep dive into the OnePlus 15, and honestly with this massive 7300 mAh battery, you're going to be gaming and scrolling for hours. But here's the reality. While this phone can last all day, your hands probably can't. That strain is real, and that's why I'm teaming up with today's sponsor, SinCom. This is the SinCom portable hand massager. If you deal with stiffness from holding your phone or working at a keyboard, you definitely need this. It uses intelligent air compression technology that doesn't just vibrate, it actually uses kneading and shiatsu techniques to rhythmically compress your fingers and palm. It feels incredible. It's also fully customizable. You can dial in the perfect massage with 3 different modes, 3 intensity levels, and 2 heat settings to match exactly what you need. Plus, the portability is a huge selling point. It's completely cordless, so you can enjoy relief while watching TV, reading, or just relaxing on the couch without being tied to a wall outlet. And just like the OnePlus 15, this thing has long battery life. A single charge gets you 4 to 5 hours of continuous use, which is like a week or 2 of daily relaxation. If you're looking for a unique gift idea for your wife, mom, or a friend who works with their hands, this is something they will actually use every day. I've left a link right down in the description so you can grab one for yourself or as a gift. Big thanks to SinCom for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back to the OnePlus 15. The first thing that I really loved about the OnePlus 15 is the refined design. I've got to be honest with you guys, I wasn't the biggest fan of the circular camera module on last year's model. It just didn't quite do it for me, but this year I actually really love the look of the new squared off camera housing. It gives the phone a much sharper, more industrial aesthetic that feels premium. Flip it around to the front and you've got pure immersion. We're looking at an ultra slim bezel coming in at just 1.15 millimeters all the way around the screen. That's the thinnest we've ever seen on a OnePlus device. The engineering here is next level. Even though this phone is packing a massive battery, which we'll talk about here in a minute, it feels incredibly thin in the hand. It's actually thinner than the iPhone 17 Pro, and that phone has a battery that's nearly half the size. OnePlus sent me the Sandstorm colorway, which is actually my favorite color on offer for this device. It's got a unique texture that looks incredible, and it is said to be a bit more durable than the other options, but we'll get into the specifics about the durability a bit later on. Next up, let's talk about the real reason that I'll be carrying this as my main device for the next several months, and that's the absolute endurance. The OnePlus 15 is using advanced silicon nanostack technology. This is the engineering magic that enabled OnePlus to shove a massive 7300 mAh battery into the chassis without making it a brick. In my testing, I'm able to consistently get a solid day and a half out of a full charge. Most days I'm ending with the battery still sitting at 40% or even more, which is just unheard of for a flagship. Plus, it's built for the long haul. The battery here is engineered to retain 80% of its capacity even after 4 years of daily use. When you finally need to top up, the 80-watt SuperVOOC charging in the box gets you from 0 to 100% in about 45 to 50 minutes, or a quick 50% in just 15 minutes. It even supports up to 100 watts if you have the right charging brick, and you still get that fast 50-watt AirVOOC wireless charging. For the gamers out there, you've got bypass charging. You can power the phone directly from the outlet while gaming, completely bypassing the battery to keep heat generation to a minimum. Next up, let's talk about the display, which is easily one of the biggest upgrades of this phone. Now, I know that last year we had the 2K display. This year we're looking at a 6.78-inch panel. That's an industry first, pairing a razor-sharp 1.5K resolution with a blazing fast 165 Hz refresh rate. On the surface, it may seem like a downgrade. We're actually getting an upgrade here with the increased refresh rate. This is definitely the holy grail. It delivers incredibly smooth visuals and significantly lower latency. In my testing with Call of Duty, the motion was unbelievably fluid. I could actually see enemies just a split second earlier and react faster, giving me a genuine competitive advantage. The display here is versatile. It hits a massive 1800 nits, so outdoor visibility is perfect, but it can also dim all the way down to just 1 nit by default, making it super comfortable to use in pitch black rooms. without searing your retinas. The fourth thing that I love about the OnePlus 15 is the absolute beast of performance under the hood. The OnePlus 15 is staking its claim as one of the first smartphones globally and the first in key markets like the US to be powered by the formidable Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. This chipset is an absolute monster. We're looking at the 3rd gen Qualcomm Orion CPU reaching clock speeds of 4.6 GHz. That translates to a solid 20% performance gain over the previous generation, but what's crazier is that it does all of that with 35% better power efficiency. And for the gamers out there, the Adreno GPU sees a 23% jump in graphics performance, which is why those frame rates are so stable. But in 2025, it's also about AI. The Hexagon NPU is 37% faster, working with the Sensing Hub to adapt to your behavior while keeping your data private on device. And to ensure absolutely zero bottlenecks, they paired all of this with the world's fastest smartphone RAM. This 16GB model uses LPDDR5X Ultra Plus, running at a blazing 10,667 megabits per second. The combo here delivers unmatched app launch speeds and multitasking that just feels instantaneous. It's easily the fastest phone that I've used so far. There's plenty more to love about the OnePlus 15, from a solid camera experience to the useful AI features in Oxygen OS 16. Durability is also next level with IP66, 68, 69, and 69K ratings. Plus, the Sandstorm model features a special MAO-treated mid-frame that's 1.3 times more durable than titanium. Honestly, this is easily one of my favorite devices of the year and makes a solid case for the top spot. That said, I did promise you one thing that I didn't love, and I kind of have to nitpick to find one. The iconic alert slider has been replaced by a programmable key. Now, don't get me wrong, the programmable key is actually really useful, but as a longtime fan, I do prefer the physical satisfaction of that original slider. It does help that I can program that key to be an alert slider. So overall, despite missing the slider, the OnePlus 15 is easily one of the most complete packages that I've used in 2025. But I want to know what you guys think. Is the new design and that massive battery enough to make you switch? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.